Hey, what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity, and when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So I hope you guys have been well. It's been a little while since I've made a video. I did do like a little 30-second video last week just because I wanted to do that. I'd been kind of MIA because I actually wasn't feeling good. I got like a little bug. It wasn't like the flu or anything like that. It was just one of those like stupid cold things that gives you like a slight fever for a little bit, but then makes you feel like really disgusting for like 2 days and 2.5 days, and then like slowly goes away. And then after that, my allergies now have started bothering me, so I'm like really congested and my eyes are burning. So last week I just was not up to filming anything, which made me kind of sad. Actually, I didn't even wear makeup, like eyeshadow and stuff, some days last week because my eyes are bothering me so bad, and it made me feel so sad because doing my eyeshadow is kind of like one of my favorite things to do. Is like what I look forward to because it's like, I don't know, I love makeup. Anyway, so I hope you guys are well. So I don't know why I'm touching my hair like that. What am I doing? I thought for today's video I would just do kind of like a little chit chat while I did my eyeshadow and just kind of played around and whatever. I'm wearing like this green, it has like moons and stuff on it, shirt, so I'm definitely gonna go for like a green eyeshadow look. I love like celestial stuff, like sun, moon, and star kind of things, fairies, all that kind of stuff. Love it. It's like my favorite thing. Okay, so I just primed my eyes with the P. Louise base, and I'm gonna go into Lunar Beauty's Moonstep palette, and I'm gonna go into this color Marnie right here. I have a sort of an idea of what I want to do, but not exactly, so we'll see how this goes. So I'm just going to take it and I am going to apply it how like I always do, start off everything, and just like in my crease, which ends up kind of being all over my eye. Aside from being sick, I've been really, I mentioned this I think in my last video, really into these books by Carrie Maniscalco, the Stalking Jack the Ripper series. Oh my god, they are so good. I love them. I'm on the last one because I'm crazy, and I hate that it's like almost over, but it's such a good series. If you're looking for like a mystery kind of book, like I said, that has a little bit of romance, but there's also like a lot to do with the cases they're working on, I definitely say pick it up. It's so awesome. I started with the audiobooks, but I actually bought the books themselves because I love them so much that I need to have copies of them. Actually, there it is back there, you know, it's my little decoration. It's so funny, like I really like I love like pastels and happiness and bubbly things, but I'm also like really drawn to sometimes like macabre type of stuff, and like I love a little, you know, good vampire, good like murder mystery, good darkness, good gothic thing. I'm such a weirdo. When we were in high school, you know, when you're in school in general, you always have to read like certain books and stuff, and I liked some of them. I didn't love all of them, but the one that I loved the most was, I'm such a, like, makes me such a weirdo, was I loved Dracula. I thought that was such a good book. I own that book. I still think that's a really good book if you just like that kind of stuff. I also really like Interview with the Vampire too. Blending brush and just pull it out a little bit. Just look like that. I don't love like all things vampire, but I like some things. So I'm just going to switch up again, and I'm going to go into the Colourpop So Jaded palette, and I'm actually going to go into the color Jade with this brush right here. I was really excited when I got into this book series because like I love reading. I said this in my last video, and I've read a couple, you know, like series or books and things, but like nothing has like really grabbed my attention like this since probably like Harry Potter, where I had to like read the books like right away. Like not all of Harry Potter what came out when I started reading it. I think the first 4 or 5 were, but it was one of those things where, you know, I read the first one and was like, oh my god, and I had to like read all of them. And that's how it is with the series. I don't know, I love that though, because it's so good to get yourself like wrapped up in a good book. I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna concentrate it on the lower part of my crease. Does have a little bit of fallout actually. I'll take the brush that I had Marnie on and I'm gonna brush them together a little bit. Because I actually had a little bit of trouble buffing out Jade. I don't know if it was just the brush I used or if it was the color first. I've used this the So Jaded palette a few times. I haven't actually used the color Jade yet, but it did take a little bit of blending. It's still a little harsh too to get it how I wanted it. I do want to lighten up my brow bone area, so I think I'm going to go in to the color Pearl right here. So it's looking like this so far. And now with the damp brush, I'm just gonna go into this color Mary right here from the Lunar Beauty palette. And I'm just going to apply that to my mobile lid. I'm just going to repeat that on the other side. So it's looking like this so far. I think I want it to sparkle a tiny bit more. So I think I might go into, I'm not going to go into a pressed glitter in here. I think I'm going to go into this color Diamond right here, which I believe is a Super Shock from the So Jaded palette. And I'm going to pop it. I mean, not that it's actually, when I look in this lighting, it's pretty sparkly. But I love sparkles. I mean, I don't think you can actually tell with my lighting that it's actually making it more sparkly. So off camera, I just finished this eye, and then with this, with Urban Decay's 24/7 gel liner in the color Mainline, I just went under my waterline. And now I'm just gonna take a small brush and I'm gonna go back into the color Marnie from the Lunar Beauty palette, which was the original green I used, and I'm just going to apply that under my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go back into, I just love switching through palettes apparently, like that is just, I love making it more complicated for myself. I'm going to go back into the So Jaded palette and I'm going to do a combination of Fluorite and Smoky Quartz for my inner corner. It didn't come out as bright as I wanted it to, but it works enough. I originally wanted to just do fluorite, but I felt it was kind of a little dark. I don't know. It's a little better. Okay, so this is the whole look done right here. I like how it came out. It's like a grungy greenish color, which I really, really like. I love green eyeshadow. I love pairing green eyeshadow with the red lip. This lip is actually by Besame Cosmetics. This is 1946 Red Velvet, excuse me. 1946 Red Velvet. Love this color. It's the same color that Helia wore when she played Agent Carter, so it's just totally awesome girl power. Love her. She's awesome. So, okay, so that's it for this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. It was just a quick little, you know, tutorial, little tiny chit chat. I get distracted when I'm talking when I do my makeup, so I probably just stop talking. So it wasn't as chit chatty as I thought it was going to be. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really liked it, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And I still hope you have a fantastic day, and I will send you lots of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way. As always, I will list everything that I am wearing on my face, as well as my Instagram and Twitter handles in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of eye looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and they are adorable. But of course, I am biased, but we are all biased when it comes to our little fur babies. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!